Have you ever felt not bad at your job, but slowly invisible? You work hard. You show up. You do what is asked. But one day, you realize the world moved forward, and you didn't. This is the story of Thomas, a man who almost became irrelevant until pain woke him up. Stay with me, because this story might feel personal. Thomas was 36. He worked at a marketing company in Dallas. Same desk for 7 years, same system, same routine. He knew every folder, every paper file, every old client name. People called him reliable, but no one called him growing. At night, he watched TV. He told himself, "I have experience, that is enough." But deep inside, he felt something fading. One Monday morning, the CEO made an announcement. The company was going digital. They needed a new digital growth manager. The role required AI marketing tools, automation systems, cloud software, data analytics. Thomas felt excited at first. This is my time, he thought. But when he opened his laptop that night, he realized something painful. He didn't know any of it. He had stayed comfortable. The world had not. 3 weeks later, Maya got the promotion. She was 27, only 1 year in the company. But she had learned new tools every night. Everyone clapped. Thomas clapped too. Then something happened. One day, Maya walked to his desk. She smiled kindly. "Hey Thomas, can you help me find the old files in the cabinet? I don't know how to use the paper filing system. Everything I do is on the cloud." Thomas smiled. "Sure," he said. He opened the cabinet. He showed her how the old system worked, but inside, he shattered. He realized something. He had become the old file guy in a cloud world. Not useless, but outdated. Not fired, but fading. That night, he sat in his car again. Engine off, lights off. He whispered, "I am becoming invisible." That weekend, Thomas met his old professor, Mr. Bennett. They sat in a quiet cafe. Thomas told him everything. The promotion, Maya, the file cabinet moment. Mr. Bennett listened. Then he said, "Thomas, the world upgrades. People must upgrade too." He drew a simple line on a napkin. Flat, flat, flat. Then suddenly up. "Life jumps," he said. "Opportunity jumps. If you don't prepare before the jump, you stay flat." Thomas looked down. He had been flat for years. Mr. Bennett gave him one rule: 1 hour a day. Learn something about tomorrow, not today. No excuses, no comfort. Thomas went home and wrote on a sticky note. 1 hour. He placed it on his wall. The first weeks were hard, very hard. New software confused him. New words felt heavy. Then came one Tuesday night, 11 p.m. His automation project failed for the 10th time. The screen glared at him. His eyes burned. He slammed the laptop shut. "I'm too old for this," he whispered. "I'm fooling myself." He sat in the dark for 20 minutes. The silence felt heavy, very heavy. He wanted to quit. He wanted his old safe life back. Then, he looked at the sticky note on the wall. 1 hour. He took a deep breath. He opened the laptop again. That moment changed everything. Not the software, not the world. Him. After 3 months, he understood automation basics. After 5 months, he built small projects. After 6 months, he created a demo campaign using AI tools. No one asked him to. He just prepared. Quietly, like Maya once did. But this time, he was ready. 6 months later, the company launched a new online product. They needed someone to automate email flows and digital campaigns. Thomas applied. During the interview, the director asked, "We need someone who can automate our email system. Do you know how to do that?" Thomas did not just say yes. He slowly slid his laptop across the table. "Actually," he said calmly, "I built a prototype for this company last weekend. Would you like to see how it works?" The room went silent. He clicked play. The automated flow started running. Perfect timing, clean design, smart data tracking. The director leaned forward. "When can you start?" That was it. Not luck, not seniority, preparation. When Thomas walked back to his desk that day, something felt different. Not pride, not ego. Relief. He was not invisible anymore. He was relevant. That night, he didn't sit in his car in darkness. He drove home with the windows down. For the first time in years, he felt alive. Hard work keeps you employed. Learning keeps you powerful. The world will not slow down. Technology will not wait. Opportunities will jump. The only question is, will you jump with them? Right now, somewhere in your life, a cloud world is being built. Don't become the old file guy. Start your 1 hour today, because when your moment comes, you will not have time to prepare. You will only have time to show what you built. And when that moment arrives, slide your laptop across the table and let your work speak.